Hello everyone, my name is Jeff Koss, doing this presentation for a assignment that I have in a class that I'm in college. I go to the University of Advancing Technology and I'm studying robotics and embedded systems there. And this is a class that teaches you how to work with microcontrollers. I am actually using the ATML chips. I'm using an ATMega 328P, and I'm going to flash the chip with a program. Not using Adreno or anything like that. This is straight up C, and we're gonna flash it using a flasher. Using an uploader basically. So I'm using Microchip Studio, as you can see right now, right here, Microchip Studio. Very simple program here. So I have two files I include: the AVR input-output header file and a delay file that allows me to use delays. Define the CPU at 16 megahertz, which is 16 million hertz. This is really simple. So we're using, we're going to be using the register B. So we do a data direction register B, and we set all of them to inputs except for register 0, which we set as an output by using binary. This 0B stands for binary, and because it's an 8-bit register, we have 8 spots, 0 through 7, and we're only going to be using spot 0. So all we do is, in the loop here, we basically use port B. Port B basically, in the terms of microcontrollers, especially this one, we basically set the pin to high. So we've set pin 0 to high. We delay 1 millisecond, and then we port B, and then we turn it off. 1 is on, 0 is off, and then it basically just keeps looping until it's done. So we'll build the program. Let's build the solution. Okay, let's take a look here. I succeeded, up to date, everything's good. That's my obnoxious bird. He's always going to be obnoxious. Never gives me a time where I can be alone. Stops making noise, but that's a bird for you. All right, so I have a tool. It's called Flasher. I'll show you what it is. Basically, I use AVR Dude to upload this little program to the microchip. Kind of cheating though, because I'm actually using the Adreno board, because the Adreno has AVR Dude on it, but for all intents and purposes, let's just pretend that it's not the Adreno board and it is it's a a USB flasher or something like that. So the arguments are the same as it was in my first one. This is the path where AVR Dude is at, configuration file. The part is going to be an ATMega 328P. I'm using the Adreno actually to flash it. We're on port comms 3. Baud rate is 115200. And the utility, this is flashes it. So we're good. Okay. And let's plug this in so you can hear this. All right. So that is my being plugged in, and we're going to flash it. Okay, so let's take a look here. Everything is good. At the end, it flashes. It flashes good, and the executable is done. Thank you. Now I will show you what it's doing. The light flashing on and off. Now here's the thing. So there's one caveat with this. The Adreno board itself has a crystal, for the clock, which makes it run at a higher speed. So this light is going to be flashing a lot faster than 1 second on, 1 second off. It's actually flashing quite fast. Anyway, without further ado, here is. Okay, guys, here it is working. The Flash program is working. It's blinking quite fast, but you know what? It is working, and that's the main thing. So, all right, we got through it.